Okay, if you can't tell, I've got KWI gear on because I am here at their annual senior welding competition. Okay, so all today I'm gonna be videoing the competition, interviewing people, and checking out what's going on. So some of you sophomores and juniors can get a feel for what it's gonna be like next year or the year after whenever you compete. So let's go take a look and see what is going on and how it's set up. All right, so first things first, got the American flag up there. Can't have a welding competition without supporting our great country. Then we got the tents set up. So let's check out what's under the tents. All right, so we come up under the tent. This is where we're gonna have ceremonies and be able to eat some food. Over here, we have the sponsors that will be sponsoring this welding event. And then here are some of the prizes. Let's take a look at them. All right, we got a rigid job box. We got some hats, some torch setups, Yeti coolers, shirts, hats, Miller machine, hats. We got Outlaw Leathers in the house today. Sawyer Piping Company is here. Stud buckets. We got this Lincoln welding machine that's been custom made. You can check out more of it on the KWI TikTok and Instagram. We got a Lincoln welding machine, more hats. There's just a whole bunch of gear here, guys. Up in smoke, shirts, and I really don't think all of it's out here yet. Aluma reels, got some reels here for the rig welders. Heavy hitters, they got some rigs here. There's just a whole bunch going on with today and the prizes. So let's check out some of the awards. So these awards are pretty sweet. Really interesting, custom made. So yeah, those are the different, I guess 1 through 10, something like that. Okay, from 6:30 to 7:30, it's registration for all of the high school seniors. And that's gonna be in the KWI office building with the classroom. So let's go check that out. All right, so we was just over there. All right, there's they got the Lincoln has the rig welder over there. Here's the parking lot, and let's go check out the classroom over here. All right, here's where you register. All right, so that's where you register, and now let's go check out the shop and the booths.